Oh, every time I see you, 그대 눈을 볼 때면 자꾸 가슴이 또 설레어와 내 운명이죠. 세상 끝이라도 지켜주고 싶은 단 한 사람.
Are you a new student here? Yeah, we're transferring. What number do you belong to? My student. Come follow me. I'll show you to where the classroom is, okay? Good morning, class. Can you take your seats? Thank you, sir. So, for today, I'm actually going to introduce you to someone who has recently joined our school family. She will be our new student here. Make sure you treat her kindly, and if I hear any reports of bullying, I will personally talk to you. Am I clear? Yes, sir. Okay. Did you relate to yourself? Okay, thank you for your attention. Can I take your seat for there? Okay. Hello, class. How are you today? Good. Are you ready for your first day of class? Yes. Did you have breakfast today? Yes. Did you sleep well? Yes. So she clearly didn't have. So, I will be your advisor teacher, and I have been in this school, teaching in this school for over 7 years now. And to introduce myself, my name is John Paul. Hey, what are you doing? What do you mean? She only arrived here right now. First warning. First warning. You can only play with your sports balls up during your free time only. Okay? So, it's only 5 today. Class dismissed now. Goodbye, class. See you next. See you.
Hey, watch where you're going. Sorry.
Hey, Ishu, you look so lonely. You're going to me?
If it's okay with you.
And
Now or else. Thanks, Arjun. I really appreciate that.
You should have been that. You deserve to be saved. Let's take around you on the next show. We saved
I have an important announcement today. This month we'll have a group presentation. It will be about singing a traditional Korean song called Arirang. Although not official, this song is like the national anthem of Korea. And it is one of almost a big event. Like our main actor and even a Korean presentation is named after the song. There are many interpretations, translations, and versions of this song, but the basic meaning of this song is about the love between two people and how they are longing for each other. And after the longing, a reunion happens between the two. The song is about deep sorrow and longing for something or someone, but it doesn't have to be related to love between people. This song is an anthem of Han. Like Han, Arirang is embedded in the blood of the Korean people. Both Han and Arirang describe the soul of the Korean people. But also show the beautiful happiness and peace. Morning, everyone. Now, you're all ready to present your activities? Okay. Now, what one will we have first? Hey, wow! That was very impressive, Group 1. I can see that all of your members have graduated. So, Group 2, you're next now. What was the presentation? Okay, sir. All the way. Okay, group 2, you did very well. I'm impressed with your work. And since the school year is ending fastly, this class is now dismissed. Okay, everybody, goodbye.
Are you deaf? Don't you have ears? What the heck do you want again?
Hey, what's going on here?
Oh no, the basketball thing is again. Are you going to go to school?
You really want to try this again? Because I'm not backing down.
Okay. Do you think we're scared of you?
Yeah, they should. Just walk away, not to do.
Or else what?
Or else I'll make your life miserable.
Or else we'll make your life miserable. Watch out.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks for defending me back there.
Yeah, no problem. Wanna sit there?
Yeah, sure, let's go.
You're meaning to answer this. You didn't go. Oh, so we're together now?
Católico,